Don't let your washing machine wear out too soon. With these 6 easy cleaning tips, you'll keep it running smoothly and save on repairs. The first thing to clean is the detergent drawer. When you add detergent, some of it often sticks to the drawer, like the detergent residue you can see here. Similarly, people also add bleach and other cleaning agents in this drawer. It's important to clean this tray thoroughly. Let me show you how to do it. You'll notice there's a lock here. This lock holds it in place, but once pressed down, the drawer slides out. Now, once the drawer is out, clean it thoroughly. Even this part here can be removed. Just pull it upwards and it comes off. Clean all parts properly, including the inside of the drawer compartment. This will ensure that detergent and water flow smoothly, which is crucial for the machine's performance. If the flow is obstructed, it will affect how well the machine works. So, always keep this area clean. Now, let me explain the second method to improve your washing machine's performance, which is cleaning the drain filter. Here's how to do it. First, locate the cover over the drain filter. In some machines, this cover might be round. You'll see that there's a small lock here. Take a screwdriver and insert it carefully, pressing downward to open the cover. Once opened, you can see the drain system with the pump installed. Before cleaning the drain filter, make sure to unplug the machine and turn off the electricity for safety. It's common for coins, toothpicks, lint, or even hair to get stuck in the drain filter, blocking the drain system and causing water to stay inside the machine. This can prevent the machine from functioning properly. To prevent these problems, regularly clean the drain filter. If it's tight, you can use pliers to open it. Be cautious, as water may come out when you unscrew the filter. There are 2 ways to manage this water, and I'll explain both so it's clear. The first method is to check if there's water inside the machine. If you see water at the bottom, you can drain it by using the small hose, often found near the drain filter. Pull the hose out and remove its cover, allowing the water to slowly drain into a tray or container. Make sure to empty the machine this way before fully opening the filter to avoid a mess. Now it's time for cleaning the filter. Let me show you how to do it. I have opened the filter, and there was a little bit of water, but not much. As you can see, there are still some particles and scale inside the filter. To clean it, take a small brush and scrub it well. You might notice some white particles. These are all dirt that can reduce the machine's performance. It's especially important to keep this filter clean. As I clean it, you can see there are some hairs and lint, and there are 3 tangs inside that create a filter-type design. This is to prevent larger objects from getting into the pump. Once you have cleaned the filter thoroughly, remember that it has a specific position when reinstalling it. Make sure to place it back in the correct orientation. To secure it, press it in and rotate it clockwise until it's tight. Now that it's all clean and properly installed, your machine's performance and lifespan will improve significantly. Now, let me explain the third method to prevent water leakage in your washing machine. First, let me show you a front-load washing machine where water is leaking from the door. As a result, everything around it has become rusty. If we examine the gas kit underneath, we can see that the situation is quite bad. To avoid this issue, I will explain 2 methods to keep this area safe and prevent further damage. The first possible cause of the leak could be a malfunctioning water flow switch. If the switch fails to close properly, the machine might take in more water than its capacity, leading to leakage. Additionally, if the air trap gets clogged with dirt or scale, it can reduce airflow, causing water to flow too quickly without the switch sensing it in time. You can address this issue yourself or get assistance from a technician. The second method you can handle on your own. To begin, open the door of the machine. You'll notice the gas kit inside, and you can see some particles accumulated there. It's essential to clean these particles thoroughly, especially around the rubber sealing areas. Pay particular attention to the small holes you can see. These need to be cleaned as well. By cleaning these areas, any water coming into the machine will properly drain back inside instead of leaking out. This will help eliminate any leakage from the door and keep this area safe and functioning properly. Regular maintenance in these spots will greatly enhance your washing machine's efficiency and longevity. Now, let me explain the fourth method to improve your washing machine's performance, which involves cleaning the drum. You can see here that the drum is equipped with a heating element, and it's important to clean both for optimal performance. Here's what you need to do. If you have laundry inside the drum, remove it first. After that, turn the machine on and select a short program. In this machine, there's a single wash option that lasts for 26 minutes, which is a very short time. Next, open the detergent drawer. If you have a scale remover that is chlorine-free, add it to the drawer. When the machine takes in water, the scale remover will mix in, allowing the machine to run and clean the internal components, including the heating element. The machine will take in water 2 to 3 times during this process, which will help remove the scales and keep the drum clean. It's beneficial to perform this cleaning process once a month to ensure your machine stays in good condition and performs efficiently. Now, let me explain the fifth method, which is cleaning the washing machine from the outside. Keeping the exterior of the machine clean has its benefits. A clean machine discourages pests like mice or cockroaches from entering it. If you look at the back of the machine, you'll notice that it's completely open from the bottom. If the machine is slightly elevated, pests can easily enter and damage the wires and other parts. To prevent this, it's important to keep both the area around the machine and the machine itself clean. This will help keep pests away and ensure your machine's components are protected. Now, moving on to the sixth and final method, you need to focus on cleaning the water inlet valve's filter. It's recommended to check and clean this filter 2 to 3 times a month. To do this, unscrew the valve and you'll see if there's any dirt or debris inside. Use pliers to carefully pull out the filter. As you can see, particles and scales often accumulate here, which reduces water pressure and impacts the machine's performance. If your machine is freely placed, clean it every 15 to 20 days. However, if it's fixed inside a cupboard, make sure to clean it at least once a month. This regular maintenance will help increase the lifespan of your washing machine and keep it running smoothly. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos and subscribe. Thank you.